Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to teleport to the Nether in Minecraft step by step. Whether you're in creative or survival, I'll walk you through using both Nether portals and teleport commands. Let's get started. If you're in survival mode, the normal way to get to the Nether is by using a Nether portal. Here's what you need: 10 blocks of obsidian, a flint, and steel. How to build it: make a rectangle frame that's 4 blocks tall and 5 blocks wide, outside, or the basic 2x3 portal shape. Light the inside of the frame with flint and steel. The portal should turn purple. Now walk into it and wait a few seconds. Boom! You're in the Nether. If you have cheats enabled, you can teleport instantly using a command. Press T to open the chat window. Type this command: /execute in Minecraft the Nether run TP at P080. This will teleport you to coordinates X0, Y80, Z0 in the Nether. You can change the numbers to teleport to different Nether locations. Hit enter and you'll instantly appear in the Nether. No portal needed. To get back from the Nether using a command, type /execute in Minecraft Overworld run TP at P08000. This brings you back to the overworld at those coordinates. And that's it. Now you know how to teleport to the Nether in Minecraft using a portal or a command. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Minecraft guides, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on teleporting to the end or Nether survival tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.